right, I'm going to show you how to turn the drone and the controller on. So here's your drone. If you go to the bottom of the drone, you're going to see there's a little button here. It's a universal on sign. So all I've got to do is press that and hold it, and you're going to see it turn red and flash. Once I've done that, what I'm going to do is put it on a nice stable surface. I'm just going to set it down here so you guys can see it. See how it's flashing? And then we're going to grab our controller, all right? And then the controller, we've got to open up this area here. And what we're going to do is we're going to push down on this, and we should see some green blinking lights, and we should hear a little beep beep sound. All right, so they're both flashing. Now, to connect them, what I have to do is push this left toggle forward and then pull it back. And then they should stop flashing like that. All right, so once you've got solid colors, red and green, then you have to calibrate the rotors. To do that, I've got to take both toggles and pull them to the right corner. So I'm just going to do that. And you should see that little light blink, which we did see. Now, if we want to turn them on, what we do is we've got to pull these two toggles towards these two little buttons. And you should see those rotors start to spin. To turn it off, I do the same thing. Bam, and that's how you do it. That's how you get the thing turned on here and there and get the rotors calibrated and how to get them running and spinning. Next video, we'll show you how to hook on the Wi-Fi and your iPhone. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.